What's hot in SUVs? Well, customers are looking for powerful, well-styled and robust. And Mercedes think they've nailed it in the brand new 2025 G-Wagon.
The G-Class, a symbol of off-road prowess since 1979, is now electrified with a new powertrain. It combines enhanced driver assist and a leap into comfort and technology.
One of the coolest things about the G-Wagon is it can go up 100% gradient. That's 45 degrees. For every foot you go forward, you go a foot up. I'm not even sure I could walk up that. Plus, this can ford 2 foot 4 inches of water. That means if it's just standing water in a parking lot or a riverbed, the G-Wagon got you covered.
With a 443 horsepower engine, this beast also offers a top speed of 130 miles an hour. It's more than just muscle, it's a sophisticated powerhouse.
On the inside, the new G-Wagon continues the luxury look and feel. This vehicle has two-tone seats as an option. It has two 12.3-inch screens, now a touchscreen on the inside. Everything is beautiful and tactile. Plus, it has that Burmester 3D sound and Dolby Atmos. It's perfect for a concert in your car.
Mercedes-Benz has also reimagined the G-Class exterior. The new design features a fresh front bumper and aerodynamic tweaks, complemented by an array of new wheel designs.
So Mercedes do something called manufacture, and that is where you actually can customize these vehicles and order them any way you want. Multiple interiors, multiple exteriors, including two-tone paint. You can have options, you can have different tire carriers on the back. They will give you everything that you want to choose of this vehicle. Put them all together. There are a million different combinations of a G-Wagon that you can order.
Driver assistance gets an upgrade too. We're discussing features like active emergency stop assist and route-based speed adaptation, ensuring a safer, smarter drive.
Now, good news for those people that love the roar of the G-Wagon. Mercedes is going to retain their V8 engine, and this engine is now mated with a 48-volt mild hybrid. So every G-Wagon moving forward in the United States will be electrified in some way.
This powerhouse delivers 577 horsepower and 627 pounds-feet of torque. Add in the 48-volt integrated starter generator and you're looking at an acceleration of 0 to 60 in just 4.2 seconds.
Now you'll notice a difference in the ride in the brand new G-Wagon because they'll have active ride control for the first time on the G-Wagon. And that's going to make a huge difference to how it drives and how it feels when you're cornering and on the roads.
Design-wise, the AMG G63 is a head-turner. It has new bumpers, AMG crest and exclusive wheel designs up to 22 inches sets it apart. The interior, just as impressive. The technical specs are impressive with 137 miles an hour top speed, spacious dimensions and a hefty towing capacity. This vehicle blends performance with practicality.
It's the little things that sets Mercedes-Benz apart. The climate-controlled cup holders, the induction charging, the touchscreens, MBUX, speakers in the roof of the vehicle. All of these extras make this such a beautiful experience. And now with the active ride control, being able to take it off-road and do extremely amazing things with it, it really is a luxury fortress on wheels.
From off-road mastery to luxury drives, the new G-Class and AMG G63 represent the pinnacle of automotive evolution. They're not just vehicles, they're experiences.
45 years ago, Mercedes-Benz changed off-roading for everybody. This vehicle now has luxury, it has stance, it has beauty, all of that combined with the capability. You'll have to wait till the end of this year before you can actually get into one, and I tell you, I can't wait.
I'm Nik Miles.